Connection from first standard D section. Today I am going to talk about need to conserve sparrows. Every living creature, sparrows are important for preserving our natural ecosystem. Sparrows feed the children with insects called alpha and catworms. These insects are extremely dangerous for crops. There are many varieties of sparrows in this world. Their population has reduced drastically. How to save sparrows? Keep a bowl of water and some grains for sparrows to feed on. Plant trees in and around in your home. Create shelters and bird feeders. Don't use pesticides in your garden as it is harmful. The only way to bring sparrows back is by people's participation. Save sparrows. Thank you all.